Where is the dairy section?
It's in aisle 3, next to the bakery.
Where is the dairy section?
It's in aisle 3, next to the bakery.
Do you have any fresh bread?
Yes, it's in the bakery section, at the back.
Do you have any fresh bread?
Yes, it's in the bakery section, at the back.
Is this product on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Is this product on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
How much is this?
It's $4.99.
How much is this?
It's $4.99.
Do you have any shopping carts?
Yes, they're near the entrance.
Do you have any shopping carts?
Yes, they're near the entrance.
Can I use my loyalty card here?
Of course! Just present it at checkout.
Can I use my loyalty card here?
Of course! Just present it at checkout.
Where can I find gluten-free products?
We have a gluten-free section in aisle 6.
Where can I find gluten-free products?
We have a gluten-free section in aisle 6.
Do you sell reusable shopping bags?
Yes, they're at the front by the registers.
Do you sell reusable shopping bags?
Yes, they're at the front by the registers.
Is there a restroom in this store?
Yes, it's near the customer service desk.
Is there a restroom in this store?
Yes, it's near the customer service desk.
What are your opening hours?
We're open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day.
What are your opening hours?
We're open from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day.
Loyalty card. A loyalty card is a card that gives rewards to people who often buy from a shop. You can get points, discounts, or gifts when you use it. It helps customers want to come back and buy again. Reusable. Reusable means something you can use again and again. It is not thrown away after one use. For example, a reusable bag or a reusable water bottle can be used many times. Gluten-free. Gluten-free means that a product does not have gluten. Gluten is a protein in wheat and some other grains. Some people can't eat gluten, so they choose gluten-free foods.